Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Desarae. So today we are doing a wig review. This is an Amazon wig that was sent to me to review for you guys. Now this is a 22 inch. This is a, okay, it says it's 22 inches, but normally 22 inches goes down to my butt. So I'm guessing it's 22 inches. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I guess it's 22 inches when you stretch it. I guess that's what they mean by that. But to me, far as the actual length, this is like about 16 when it's curled. So just keep that in mind. So this did come plucked in my opinion. I went in and kind of over plucked it. I wish I didn't even touch it at all. I wish I would have just bleached the knots and just call it a day. So this I do not recommend plucking because the knots are fairly spread apart. So you do not need to pluck them. All you need to do is bleach this wig and you're good to go. So this is a Brazilian human hair wig. You can get this off of Amazon. I will have the links in the description box if you guys are interested. I don't have a lot of shading. I did cut into the frontal part, but overall this is the hair. This is a fairly good density. I like this. Like, wow, this hair is beautiful. So this is going to be a fairly quick review because I don't have any cons with this hair. This hair is beautiful. I'm very impressed. When you first get the hair, it looks like it's not going to be a lot, but once you play with it and wash it, it poofs up into this beautiful style right here. Wow, I'm like blown away by this curl pattern. This is so pretty. Let me apply some more mousse and some water probably. I just washed it last night. And of course, I left my water bottle upstairs. So as you can see on this side, this has the most water and product on. This is how it will look if you put product on it. And this is how it look if you just wash it and let it air dry. So the cap size is average fitting. It can fit small and big heads. I do have it adjusted to the tightest and it still fits me comfortably. So overall, in my opinion, I highly do recommend this wig. It was very affordable for a 22 inch and you get a lot of volume in this wig. So I don't have any cons at all. I just wish that I never would have over plucked it. I think it was plucked fine. It was good enough. So that's my only regret is me over plucking because I don't think this really needed it. I should have just left it alone. But if you do over pluck, just go in with some mascara or a permanent marker and like dab where the bald spot is at and no one's gonna tell, girl. Thank you so much y'all for tuning in and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye loves.